Hello, David here, and the project for today is copying 35mm color slides, also known as transparencies. Back in the old days, 60s, 70s, and 80s, people used to use slides and pack them away and then never look at them again because they were too lazy to take out the slide projector and look at them on the slide projector. Now we have digital files and everyone has their pictures on their computer. But if you have an old slide and you want to put them on your computer, you're going to have to copy it. You could send it out and have it done, or you could do it yourself. And I'm going to show you how I do it. The way I do it's probably different than the way other people do it. This is just how I do it. And there's a lot of planes on here to get straight, so let's start with the mirror. And the reason why I shoot the projector into the mirror and then project it onto a Mylar sheet is because if you shoot the projector straight onto the Mylar sheet, the image will be reverse. So the mirror reverses the image back to right reading. So everything has to be square, otherwise your image is going to be skewed. So for the mirror, I've got my bubble level here. And my bubble's pretty close. It could come out a little bit. I've got the hanger part of the mirror held back by the clip on my backpack, slung over the couch. I know it's not pretty. I got my rain pants here as a shim. I think I need to shim it out a little bit more. Let's see how we're doing here. Don't forget to clean the mirror off when you're ready to shoot. Yeah, that's a lot better. Okay, here's a Mylar. Back in the days before CAD, computer-aided design, draftsmen, draftswomen used to use frosted translucent paper or a coated Mylar. This is a coated Mylar from back in those days. And I pretty much have to square this up as well. So that's pretty good. So the height of your projector has to be even with the height of the Mylar. Not only that, this has to be square as well. It has to be square this way and square that way. Square this by turning that knob on the feet of the projector. Then there's another knob for the foot on the front of the projector. Okay, next the projector has to shoot at a 45-degree angle into the mirror. And the Mylar has to be 45 degrees from the mirror as well. Try to adjust the elevation of the slide projector by adding and removing books. If you use the thumb wheel on the front, you're going to skew the image, so the slide projector has to be as close to level as possible. So here's my image projected on the Mylar. It's right reading. You're going to have to focus on the projector, and you might have to move the Mylar or projector closer or away from the mirror in order to reduce or enlarge the image to fit your Mylar. And the next thing left is to turn the lights off. And your option, you could either snap away on the photos on a tripod or hand hold it. You've got the camera focused. Make sure you hold the camera on the same plane as the center of the photo, because if you tilt down, you're going to skew the image, or if you tilt up, you're going to skew the image. Got to be center. My camera is showing an f-stop of 1/125th of a second, and that should be fast enough to shoot a still handheld without a tripod. I do notice that the center portion of the photo is bright. I think it's from the projector bulb, and I don't know how to get around that. So that's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.